This is Selestia Beauty Sculpting Powder. Look at this packaging. Isn't that cute? It's quite big. I like it. It's quite pigmented and it blends nicely. I can add a little bit more. It's quite buildable. I received this product free to try. This is Celestia's Beauty Highlighter, so let's take a look. Oh, it's so pretty. I received this product free to try. This is Celestia's Beauty Oral Fixation Lip Liner. This is the color Bruja. It's very soft and creamy. And let's put some lipstick. I received this product free to try. This is Celestia's Beauty Mascara. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, and the mascara is even prettier. Look at that snake. Gorgeous. Oh wow. I received this product free to try.